Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system readiness and account access. Use Windows 10 or 11 with 8 GB RAM or more and free up disk space. Sign into your Google account and enable two-step verification so sign-in works smoothly later. Once done, update Windows to the latest build and reboot. This prevents driver and compatibility issues. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS if prompted by the installer, because Play Games on PC uses containerized systems for Android apps. You now install the Google Play Games client. Run the official installer and accept all permissions so it can set up virtualization and the Android runtime. During installation, the app downloads system images and runtime components. Let that process complete without interrupting it. Once the client finishes, sign into your Google account inside the app. This links your Play Games profile and game library. Make sure to allow any firewall or driver prompts so emulation components can run at full performance. You finish by installing games from the integrated Play Store and adjusting settings for performance. Allocate more CPU or RAM in the client and change resolution or frame rate if needed. Once a game installs, use cloud saves and sign into any game-specific accounts to restore progress. If something goes wrong, first update your GPU drivers and confirm virtualization is enabled, then restart the client. If problems persist, reinstall the Google Play Games app. This clears corrupted images and often fixes launch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.